Facial yoga is everywhere right now, and it can be very confusing. Some swear by it. Others say that it caused more wrinkles and didn't work at all. So today, I want to clarify what actually works, what to avoid, and how to practice facial yoga correctly. I'm Maya. I'm an esthetician of over 14 years and also a facial yoga instructor, and have been teaching facial yoga classes in person for the past year and a half. And I help women rejuvenate, lift, and tone their skin naturally without injections or aggressive treatments. So what really is face yoga? Facial yoga is not about overworking the muscles and being too aggressive. It's a combination of gentle muscle activation, tension release, circulation, and emotional awareness. When facial yoga is done correctly, it can relax overactive muscles, support weaker muscles, and improve overall skin vitality. Where face yoga can go wrong? When facial exercises are not done correctly. Number 2 is when you're being too aggressive with the exercises without actual awareness. Number 3 is when muscle tension is not addressed first before doing the facial exercises. Number 4 is when the skin is not prepped with facial oil or facial serum. And number 5 is consistency. Every muscle requires consistency to be lifted and toned over time. Other misconception about facial yoga is that it should erase aging. Well, facial yoga doesn't erase aging, and it shouldn't. Facial yoga supports your natural skin structure, emotional expression, and energy. The goal is for the face to look rested, open, and alive. So on this channel, I will be sharing facial exercises, facial massage techniques, and holistic education about naturally rejuvenated, lifted, and toned skin. I will also be explaining how to do everything correctly and why it works, so you understand the whole process of natural rejuvenation. So if you are curious about natural rejuvenation and want a calm and realistic approach, you're in the right place. Subscribe and start with the facial routines that are already posted on this channel.